here's a little sneak peek at the finished product. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video because we will be showing you some other Valentine's Day decor ideas, including some of our viewer favorites from last year. And we also have free printables, so you won't want to miss it. After strolling through the Dollar Tree for some inspiration, we found a couple of supplies we thought would be fun to use for a Valentine bunting. So we have this bunting, of course, from Dollar Tree, so that was $1, and we are going to thread it with this jump rope. We thought that was fun, and I have some scrap fabric here that I'm going to be using, and I also just sketched out a smaller size of this shape. We're going to do another one on this side and one over here and embellish that up a little bit. So first I'm going to take this out. Then we'll get the jump rope ready to thread. You could use jute for this or any other ribbon you have. We just thought it would be fun to use this jump rope because it had this fun white and red pattern to it. So this bunting already does have a loop. The back of the fabric is folded over. So now I'm just going to string the jump rope through it. Okay, so we've got that on there. That will be holding up the buntings. Now I'm going to cut out 2 of these smaller buntings out of this gold polka dotted burlap that I had laying around. I guess I'll just do one at a time. I'm also going to have a couple inches extra up at the top so I can fold it over that jump rope. I don't know if that will really mark or not, but we'll see. I think I'll just hold it on here and cut. Okay, so I'm gonna iron these quick since it's folded crazy. And then I'm going to use another piece of paper here to trace this heart, make a pattern, and then cut it out of this heart fabric that I have. I'm going to fold the fabric in half while I cut the heart out, just so I only have to cut once. And I'm going to line it up with a straight edge just to minimize cuts, because I'm a lazy girl. When I pressed these flat, I also folded this little lip over and ironed it so that I can hang this on the bunting or the jump rope. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to put my heart on there. Now I'm going to put the jump rope right in there and then just glue over it. Then I don't need to thread the rope through this time. Can still slide it on there if I need to position it, but now it's secured. After I had the red hearts on here, I decided I didn't like them very much. I had this other fabric that has a couple hearts scattered around there, and then it has different words related to love. So I decided to cut some hearts out of that instead, and I used pinking shears just to give it a fun detailed edge. So I'm gonna glue those on there, and then we also picked up these heart stickers at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put a big one in the center of that. I think it will look really cute. So these being stickers aren't especially very sticky, but I think they're gonna be just fine. You could also hot glue those on if you want. As I was holding the bunting up to the mantle to see how it looked, see how big it was, I decided to add on another 2 pieces of this gold polka dot fabric to make 5 total. Just makes it a little bit bigger, makes it a little more substantial. And then we have this jute tassel from another bunting that we've done, and it's too big for this. So we're going to make a smaller version. We'll show you how to do that, and we'll put it on the end. To make the tassels, you'll need some jute, and we used a piece of cardboard cut to the length that we wanted the tassel to be. Now you're going to take the jute and wrap it around the cardboard. We did it 30 times, depending how big you want your tassel to be. This will obviously depend on how many times that you wrap it, but we did 30 times wrapped around for this one. After you have it wrapped around enough times, go ahead and trim it and then pull the jute off of the cardboard. Now we're going to wrap more jute around the top edge to hold all of this together and create the tassel. To do this, you will take a new piece of jute and hold the edge of it at the top, kind of creating a tail. You can see sticking out right there. So keep this part up, and then you're going to make a loop at the bottom edge there, and then you're going to start wrapping the remainder of the jute around. And we went down about an inch or so. Keep it nice and tight. Be sure to keep that tail up. You can see she's lifting it up right there. Keep wrapping, make sure it's tight. And then just trim off the excess. And you're going to stick that bottom part you just cut through that loop that you made at the bottom, at the beginning. Now you're going to take that piece and the top piece, the 2 ends, and pull them tight. This is going to pull that loop underneath that wrapped part that you just did and hold it together. So essentially this is keeping this wrapped edge on there without having to do a knot, so it just is a little bit neater looking. Now just trim the bottom edge of the jute, and you have your tassel. I love the way this turned out. Isn't it so cute? And really, it cost $3. You have the cost of this middle banner, the heart stickers, and the jump rope. Everything else I had on hand. Super cute. I love it. Give you a little glimpse at the other decor I have up on the mantle. I picked up these hearts at Walmart the other day. I thought they were so cute. I had to show them off. Over the piano, I have a little bit more decor. I picked this up at Walmart the other day too. It lights up. And then of course, this fun confetti craft that we did last year. I will put the link below. This is a favorite for so many. On our coffee table, I have some cards that I made a few years back. A little tray with a picture of me and my hubs, some goodies, and some glittery hearts are in there too. On the sofa table, I put more of these hearts. So you just have more of that decor showing. For the kitchen table, I used our free printables that we put out last year. So I will put a link down below for those as well. You can print them to any size. I just stuck them to a skewer. We also put some on a block of wood for decor or in a picture frame. So those are my Valentine ideas. Thanks for watching. We hope we've inspired you to make your own fun Valentine's Day decor. And if you have not subscribed to our channel already, please do that and check the links below for the other ideas for Valentine's Day decorating and the free printables. You can also follow us on social media. All the links are below. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.